Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, we will be checking out an update in terms of tap ants. This game guys is very easy just by tapping on your screen guys if you have your mobile device. And they have made an announcement guys that there could be a 3 to 4 times airdrop of this project this 2025. So let's check for the updates guys. Let's go! So we are on the website guys for Tap Ants. Join the Season 1 to claim your place in the colony and secure the best rewards. Okay, tap, earn, and then prosper guys. Raise the queen. Begin your journey by nurturing the queen's egg. Okay, basically guys, you start with an egg. So if you want to get started guys, I've made a video in terms of this one. Just copy the link on the description of this video guys. Paste it into your Telegram. And this will be your next interface. You will have it into the welcome guys. And then from here, you could start playing on the top. Click on play tab guys, and there will be a new tab. Okay, so basically I'm just using the web app guys. And then from here guys, you could tap for this one. I am already at level 19, and there is also a bubble in here that you could pop, and you could also guys buy for your worker ants that are in here. Now going back guys, earn royal airdrop rewards. Loyal service to our queen doesn't go unnoticed. They have made an announcement in terms of this one guys. If you are in the game, okay, click on discover and then tap as Q1 2025 update. In terms of this one, click on this and you will be directed on YouTube. They have made an announcement in here that there will be 3 or even 4 times airdrop of the project this 2025. So don't be late guys in tapping for the project. Strengthen the colony by inviting for your friends, and then guys, if you are able to invite at least 10 friends, you will be able to mint, okay, for your immortal NFT. We have it already in here. We have 96 invites as of the moment, guys. If you want to start, it is on the description of this video, guys. And then mint for this immortal NFT. They have made an announcement on the video as well, guys, that there will be, I think, 10% allocation if you are an immortal NFT holder. Now, next one, guys, in here, okay, unlock real-world rewards. The power of the colony goes beyond the game. As you help the colony grow, you'll unlock unique benefits in the real world, showing that the power of the colony knows no bound. On their Twitter, guys, they have made an announcement. Currently, they have 2,600 followers only. It is even linked for the video, guys, for the announcement. And then in here, guys, we have the winners this February. Okay, Tap Ants, the Immortals. We have Garen 2025 50 USDT winner. And then for the invites, guys, we have Pansel number 1 at 100 USDT with 523 invites. Second, 110. We have Sense 50 USDT and then 50 for E-Tech for the referral. So make sure, guys, to check out for this one. They have made an announcement that the airdrop will happen 3 or even 4 times this 2025. It could be happening, guys, second quarter of 2025 or even on the interview, guys. We have it in here. The CEO himself said it could be March 31, so we don't know if that will be final or it will move, guys, on a latter part of Q2 this 2025. So what are you waiting for in terms of this one, guys? Make sure to do the task, guys. Upgrade for your ants and then tap your way and your score, guys, in terms of Tap Ants.